In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Prezi for thought leadership. Whether you're crafting a presentation to share your insights at a conference or putting together a visual story to highlight your expertise, Prezi offers unique tools to make your presentation not just informative, but memorable and engaging. Let's dive in and explore how you can leverage these features effectively. First, you'll need to log in to your Prezi account and open your dashboard. If you're not yet familiar with Prezi, think of your dashboard as the control center where you can access all your presentations, past and present. This is where you'll begin your journey into crafting a thought-provoking narrative. Next, you'll want to click on Create from Template. Prezi offers a wide array of templates, each designed to convey specific types of messages or aesthetics. For thought leadership, focus on choosing a template that echoes professionalism and resonates with the theme of your presentation. Look for those labeled specifically for thought leadership if available, as they're tailored to help you organize complex ideas clearly. With your template selected, it's time to add your main topic. This should clearly reflect the area in which you are showcasing your expertise. It acts as the anchor point for your entire presentation, setting the tone and guiding all subsequent content. Think of it as the central idea that you want your audience to understand and remember. Once your main topic is in place, it's crucial to create subtopics. These subtopics should represent key insights, supporting data, and examples that expand on your central idea. Each subtopic serves as a building block, gradually constructing the larger narrative you wish to present. This segmented approach helps in making complex information more digestible for your audience. Now, to enrich your presentation, consider inserting a variety of multimedia elements. Images, videos, charts, and graphics are excellent enhancers. They aren't just visual boosts, but serve as tools to reinforce your points. For instance, a well-placed chart can vividly communicate data trends, while relevant images can make your insights more relatable. Prezi's zooming paths allow you to guide your viewers through your ideas in a way that is both clear and captivating. By strategically using zoom, you can emphasize particular points, maintain audience focus, and ensure a logical sequence of information delivery. It's like crafting a visual journey that your audience can easily follow and engage with. Finally, don't forget to adjust the presentation's colors, fonts, and overall layout. These stylistic elements are more than just aesthetics. They help convey your personal or brand style, adding an additional layer of engagement to your content. A cohesive and stylish presentation aids in reinforcing the message you want to deliver. And that's how you use Prezi for thought leadership. With these steps, you're well equipped to create a dynamic and influential presentation, ready to share your insights with the world.